Okay, family, today I am making creamed corn in the Instant Pot Ace blender. I've done this before and it was just delicious. All I did was throw in a can of corn and voila, creamed corn. I didn't add anything, but this time I'm going to add, I wanted heavy whipping cream, but I only have I wanted heavy cream, but I only have this whipping cream. I don't know if there's much of a difference. So, we'll see. I'm going to add that and some black pepper, and we will be done in just about 4 minutes. A little pepper. Watch your fingers. Okay, let's try it. Get a spoon. Oh my goodness. It's a little bit sweet for me, but I'm not a sugar person too much, but it's delicious. Try it. Nice and thick and delicious. If you don't like it this creamy, what I suggest, if you want to have a few kernels, just leave a few behind and throw them in near the end, and I think you'll be good to go. Please give it a try. It's so good. Auntie wouldn't lie to you.
Please like and share this video. Feel free to comment down below. And subscribe to the channel.
Hey guys, don't forget to check out my Kenya haul video. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Auntie wouldn't lie to you. It's really good.